Hi everybody, this is Buck WSR Weezer coming at you once again with a review of the Wacky Wake Up Phrases alarm clock made by Timex. And here it is in front of you, and it's a really interesting and fun alarm clock. Let me just give you first of all a description that you'll find online like Amazon. The ihome Wacky Phrases alarm clock, Wacky Phrases Shake and Wake, unique colorful alarm clock with vibrating action. Wake up to 7 different wacky phrases. Each time you press snooze, you hear a different wacky phrase. Adjustable alarm volume, 0.8 of an inch LCD display with momentary indigo nightlight. 24-hour set and forget alarm with auto repeat and auto shut off. Snooze repeat alarm. It operates on 3 AA batteries, which are included when you buy it new, in Try Me packaging, which I guess is the packaging that it comes in when you buy it new that allows you to operate it on demo even while you're in the store before you take it out of the packaging. It's got 2 alarm volumes, high and low. You can see that right there. It's got an alarm on setting, alarm off setting, and it has a demo setting. And today we have it on the demo setting, which allows you to hear all the 7 different wacky phrases when you press the snooze button. Also, the dial will light up. So I want you to hear some of these. So let's give it a shot.
Your Honor, like I always say, if the alarm don't quit, up you must get. My client cannot be expected to wake up in these circumstances. They are deplorable, undependable, inexcusable, unreliable, and unquintessential.
Yeah, so every time the alarm goes off, you get one of those wacky phrases. When you hit snooze, it stops. And 9 minutes later, another wacky phrase will wake you up yet again. You can see how it lights up blue. The clock face lights up blue. All right, here's another one.
Well, I tell you what, you hit that there snooze button one more time, I'm gonna have to open up a 6-pack of whoops, and you know I'm gonna do it too, don't you?
Yeah, all right, and every wacky phrase seems to have a different accent. Try this guy.
Mira, you gotta get up. Drop the pillow. Just do what I say and drop the pillow. Drop the pillow.
My kids and I have memorized all these wacky phrases, and I go around the house repeating them at the top of my lungs. This thing sells new on Amazon for $21.26 with free shipping. You can get them a lot cheaper if you buy them used on eBay. Here's another one.
My Uncle Anthony used to sleep late. You know that? Alarm goes off, bada bing, snooze. Alarm goes off, bada boom, snooze. You know what we call Uncle Anthony now? The late Uncle Anthony.
All right, so the buttons for setting the time and the alarm are right here on the bottom of the right below the digital display, so they're easy to access. I guess this thing, well, you can compare it to the size of my hand. What is it, about a 5-inch diameter sphere here? Here's another one.
Oh my goodness, it's time to wake up, you sleepy person. Yes, yes, right, get out of bed. You cannot hit that sleep button. Do not hit that snooze button. It is time to get up. There is no more time for snoozing. Up, up, up.
So you think you'd like to wake up to this kind of craziness? Here's another one.
Hello, sleepyhead. Rise and shine. Good morning. Up, 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 up. Good morning, sunshine.
Well, I'm here to tell you right now that I don't want to wake up to this craziness, but it sure is fun putting it on demo mode and enjoying the...
Buongiorno, bambino, huh? Why you treat me with no respect? You can get out of
I think that one's my favorite. Let's see. Is there one more? Have we done all 7? Let me see.
Your Honor, like I always say, if the alarm
Yep.
don't quit, well, I tell you what, you hit that there snooze button
All right.
one more
Yeah,
time,
we've heard this guy already.
I'm gonna have to open up a 6-pack of whoops, and you know I'm gonna do it too, don't you?
All right, let me tell you what I really think of this guy. He's a lot of fun, but this is a terrible way to wake up. I experienced it myself. I set my alarm, I set this, put it beside my bed, and I can't deal with this. This is not a good way to wake up. It's fun once you're already awake, but for me, I need something calm to wake me up. So I use something calm off of my iPhone like this. Yeah, something that doesn't startle the heck out of you. You know what I'm talking about? This guy is fun, but it's a brutal way to have to wake up. Alright, so that's my review. You can find them cheap on eBay, and or you can buy it new on Amazon. It's fun, but I think I'll pass. Thanks for watching. See ya.